Hey, aloha everybody, this is Brad the LawnSauce. Thanks for tuning in. Well, I've been away for a while and I'm back in action. And today I'll be choosing the winners to the 1000 giveaway that I've been doing for my YouTube channel. I am so blessed to have reached this milestone on YouTube, and I thank each and every single one of you for getting my channel to 1000 subscribers. I never thought I'd reach it, but I'm very grateful and thank you again to each and every one of you. So I want to give back to the lawn community, and the prizes that I'll be giving away is, first of all, I'm not affiliated with any of these products, and none of the companies have sponsored this in any way or have donated any products to me. This is all coming out from the bottom of my heart to thank you, my viewers, for supporting me. Now let me see. So how it's gonna happen is I have all your names in here folded up, and I'll be drawing out of this container that I stole out of my kitchen. I had to dump out my wife's coffee pods out of this to use it. I hope she doesn't mind, but that's what husbands do, and that's how I do it. But in any case, the first thing that let's get right to it. So the first thing that we'll be giving away is Sunnyland Prodiamine 65WG from Yard Mastery. Now, I'm giving this away because, like him or not, Alan Hain is a big reason why I got into lawn care, and he taught me a lot of the basics. And for that, I thank him. He also has a company called Yard Mastery, which he sells his products out of. Now, I don't personally use Yard Mastery. For one, they don't ship to Hawaii. But in any case, I'd like to support him some way, somehow. And so what I'm going to be doing is choosing a name. And with that, I'll be going onto his website. I'll be getting the information from the winner and be ordering the product for you and shipping it out to you through the Yard Mastery website. But in any case, let's get started. So here we go. The first winner of the Prodiamine, Mr. Dan the Lawn Man from Florida. If you don't know Dan the Lawn Man, he's a YouTube guy. You can go check out his channel at Dan the Lawn Man. He does lawn care for a living, and he's a funny guy. Check him out on YouTube. Also follow him on Instagram. Dan, congratulations. I'll be reaching out to you. I have your information, as a matter of fact, because we sticker swapped. By the way, if you guys want to sticker swap, you can always send me an email or contact me somehow and we can swap stickers. But anyways, Dan the Lawn Man, I'll be reaching out to you. Congratulations on your Prodiamine, buddy. All right, the next thing that I want to give away is the Simple Lawn Solutions Lawn Energizer. Now, Simple Lawn Solutions is a product that I use and I'm able to get here in Hawaii. It's a micronutrient supplement that has iron and nitrogen in it. And it greens up your lawn really well. It's super easy to spray out. You just hook it onto your hose and you spray it out onto your grass, and it darkens up your grass. So let's get right to that. And the winner is Len Yonemura. Len Yonemura, thank you, congratulations. I will be reaching out to you to get your contact information, and so I can send out your Simple Lawn Solutions Lawn Energizer. Congratulations and thank you for subscribing. The next thing that I want to give away, I know this is so ghetto old school how I'm doing it, but it's how I roll, is a 20-inch Lanzi soil probe. Now, Lanzi is a cool company. Check out this bird. It's a cardinal. But anyways, let's get to it. You can test your soil with that. Get a cord to see what it's about. Let's choose a name. the Lawn Warrior, Joe the Lawn Warrior. Congratulations, Joe. You have, I don't know if you already have one, but you're getting another one because everybody loves a Soil Pro video, right, Joe? Anyways, congratulations, Joe the Lawn Warrior. I'll be reaching out to you for your information, and we'll get that sent out to you. Okay, the next thing that I'll be giving away is a GCI Rambler cup, and I believe it comes with a cozy. Now, this is from Pete Denny, and Pete, if you don't know who GCI Turf is, you better ask somebody, because he's one of the biggest YouTube channels, and he's a lawn care operator, and he's openly and willingly shares his information with the lawn community, teaching us how to grow our grass. Now, Pete has cool season grass, but I have warm season grass, but the things that he talks about can be applied to both warm season and cool season, and thank you for that. So let's choose a winner. Here we go. LTZ Lawn Care. LTZ Lawn Care, congratulations. I'll be reaching out to you for your information, and we will get that ordered for you from Pete, and look forward to that. Now, I'm just throwing these names down in the lawn, and it's just kind of blowing all over. I gotta like put it under my slipper. That's how we do in Hawaii. Slipper. Oh, that one's flying away. I better grab it. Damn, the lawn man is flying away from me. Wait. One more now. Here. Found it. The Lawn Warrior. Right on. Okay, so I got these all saved. So again, I really appreciate everybody, sincerely, from the bottom of my heart, for subscribing and for watching my videos. The next thing that I want to give away is a Lawn Factor Furt and Squirt notebook. Now, Matt Martin runs the Lawn Factor, the Grass Factor, excuse me, and he brings a lot of science into it, and you know, it's always great to watch his videos to really understand the science of how things and why things work in the lawn, and what. So let's go ahead and choose a winner for that. Shake it up. Let's see. Nick Landmesser. Hey Nick, thank you for subscribing. I don't think I have your information, so I'll be reaching out to you via YouTube to get your information, and we will get this notebook sent out to you. Nick, you go under my slipper for now so we don't lose you. Let's see, the next thing that I want to give away, that I'll be giving away, is this Keep Off the Grass Livecast t-shirt. It's all going to depend if the size is in stock or not, but we'll see. And then, you know, I might even give you the opportunity to choose one within the same price range or so. But in any case, let's choose a name. Here we go. Girls Lawn. Girls Lawn. Hey, PJ, congratulations. Now, if you don't know who PJ is from Girls Lawn, again, you better ask somebody, because Girls Lawn rocks, man. She's heavily into her lawn, and she's all over YouTube. She has great information, and I would recommend subscribing to her channel. Congratulations, PJ. I will be reaching out to you. In fact, I have your address from our sticker swap prior, but I'll be reaching out to you to let you know that you won, and be getting your size and getting that shipped out to you. Congratulations, PJ. Now the last thing that I'll be giving away today is a Lawn Supply Green Ore SP. It's a 500. Now this is a chelated iron supplement from Lawn Supply, Ryan Nor's company, and I recently got a pack or two. You can see the color response in my lawn here. I've used it a couple times. It's a great product. In any case, let's choose the winner. Lone Star Real Low. Lone Star Real Low, congratulations, man. You just won yourself Green Ore SP from the Lawn Supply. So that about does it, guys. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I really appreciate it. I'll be reaching out to the winners, and keep on watching, keep on subscribing. Tell a friend about my channel. Alright, this is Brad the LawnSauce from Honolulu, Hawaii, signing out. Thank you again to all of my subscribers, and for those of you who didn't win, I really appreciate you just as much as everybody else, and I appreciate everybody who subscribed to my channel. Thank you again, and aloha. Take it easy, everybody. Mahalo, everybody. Take it easy.